When you're working on a software project, you likely have a system or process for recording issues found in the project. If you're working on an open source project on GitHub, it's more likely that you'll be using the issue tracker in GitHub. The nice thing about this tool is that people who can see your repository are able to report issues even though they don't have access to resolve the issues themselves. It's also possible for other people to send you pull requests that resolve an open issue. Let's go take a look at this on GitHub. Looking at this GitHub project, you can see that we've got a new project that I just created. It's got the name "This Project Has Issues." We're going to go ahead and file an issue on this one, because when I look down at the README file here, you can see down in the description, the README has a mistake in it. Notice it says "I'm not itting," and the K is out of place. So we're going to file an issue and let the person know that this is a problem. Now, in order to file an issue, I can be either a user with access to the repository, or in this case, since it's public, really any user could do this. But for simplicity's sake, I'm going to go ahead and just create one with the user account that has access. So when we get on this new issue screen, all we need to do here is go ahead and give the issue some kind of a title, and maybe give a little description so that the user can track it down pretty well. So now that's a pretty good description of what we're really looking for here. There are a number of features that we're not using here, but we can also just go ahead and add a label. I'm going to mark this as a bug, and then I'm going to submit. So now this issue exists, and it's an open issue. It's labeled as a bug. If I were trying to track this down, I might, maybe I'm having trouble finding the issue. By commenting, I can go ahead and have a little discussion with the person who submitted the issue and help me to track it down. So I'm going to go ahead and comment on that. I might go back to the project, go ahead and edit, make the change. So now I've fixed that. Now I can go back to the issues. I can open up this issue. I can say, hey, yep, I've definitely fixed this one. And then when I go ahead and do this, I'm going to go ahead and click close and comment, which will automatically close the issue and leave the comment. I could have just closed to begin with, but I like the idea of having a message there saying what I fixed. And that's how you close an issue. If I needed to reopen it, I could reopen the issue and close it again. And you'll notice it keeps track of a history of all of these changes.